phones and line. It won't let us get by, so they twist us into a lie.